I sell common used clothing mall brands such as American Eagle, Banana Republic, and Gap. And I am a full-time reseller that works from home. Me and my wife have retired. We don't actually have traditional 9 to 5 jobs. We sell common items, and we're on track to have a six-figure business, all from the comfort of our own home and right in front of our computers. I'm going to show you what kind of items that we sell in this video, and I'm going to show you how you can do it as well. So I'm going to jump in. I'm going to show you my eBay back office and show you how you can actually do this too. So this is my eBay store, and as you can see here, we have made, in the last 30 days, we have grossed $6,700, almost $6,800. And we are actually down a little bit. That's pretty common in the middle of summer. But as you can see here, we have almost 3,400 listings in our eBay store. Now, if you are a reseller and you're coming to this just to learn how to sell high volume, you would know that 3,400 items is a lot for one-off used clothing items. Okay. So as you can see, we're a top-rated seller. We have 100% feedback, and we are right around $53,000 gross for the year. So we actually know what we're doing. We've been doing this for a couple of years now. I'm going to show you some of the items that we actually sell here. So we sell items that are very, very common. You can get these items in any thrift store across the country. You can get these items at places like Goodwill, Salvation Army, Savers, any mom and pop thrift store, any garage sale, local garage sales that you have going, church sales, estate sales. There are so many places that you're going to be able to get these common items for a couple dollars or even less. I even have techniques and tricks to show you how that you can actually get a lot of these items for free just by asking friends and family if they want to get rid of any old clothing and clean out their closets. As you can see here, we have a brand, let's see, Old Navy, very, very common mall brand, Ann Taylor Loft. I want to say that that's a department store like JCPenney's, Kohl's. I'm not even 100% sure. We got another Ann Taylor, Columbia. We got the Gap. We even have different sports and vintage clothing that does really, really well. Most people think that vintage sports clothing isn't worth anything. Actually, it's worth quite a bit. We actually have Arizona. Arizona is a common, I want to say it's a Walmart, Target-esque kind of brand. I think you can find it in some department stores. We have branded stuff like Game of Thrones. Again, Old Navy, Express. We sell shoes. Adidas is a very common. You can get those pair of shoes in any thrift store across the country. There's nothing special about them. As you can see here, we do sell higher brand stuff. We do sell really expensive clothing. I've sold Gucci. I've sold Versace. I've sold Diesel. We've sold pretty much every designer brand. We sold Thomas Pink. We've sold them all. We primarily focus on mall brand and common items because we can pick them up at a very high volume. We can pick hundreds of these mall brand clothes and we can sell them for a 10 times profit. A lot of times we go to a thrift store on dollar days. We pick these items up for $1. We pick up 300 of these items. We take them home and we list them a little bit at a time throughout the week. And every time one of those items sell, they sell for about $25 per item. Now, minus the fees, minus the shipping, we usually end up somewhere between $5 and $10 in profit per item. We spend $1, we make $5 and $10. We rinse and repeat as many times as we possibly can stand it. And that's how we have a high volume business. So anybody can do this. You don't have to be special. I was a truck driver. My wife was a restaurant general manager. There's no special training that you need. You can literally do this. Start this out with $20 in your pocket. You can go on Dollar Day, go find 20 mall brand items, go and list them up on eBay. And we have some more tips and tricks to show you how you can even um, make more money from the same items. We don't just sell on eBay. We sell on places like Poshmark. We sell on places like Macari, and we sell on places like Facebook Marketplace here. So we have 4 different platforms that we sell to, and we sell in a pretty large volume. So you can do this. You can do exactly this method. You can go tomorrow, buy 20 clothing and get it started today. You don't have to be a millionaire. $20 gets you started. My name is Eric. This is Thrifting with the Joneses. If you found value in this video, please give it a like. Make sure you subscribe. We actually have a Facebook group too. If you're interested in learning more and more about what we do and how to sell high volume common items and make a lot of profit from it, join the Facebook group. I'm very active in the Facebook group, and I answer any and all questions that we get. So till next time, guys, you have a wonderful day.